Make sure you stick around until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and we are back for another key programming battle. Today, we're gonna be putting up the Autech iKey 820 up against the Auto Pro Pad on this 2011 Chevy Tahoe. Now, this is the deal, like this technology for this vehicle is pretty simple. However, these Tahoes in particular, and like the Silverados using the same technology, there's a lot of them out there and people tend to really like them and keep them around for a while. So I think this is something that for years to come, you'll still be encountering. Now, we're gonna go for an all keys lost situation on this. So I've already went ahead and I've cut the keys and I'm ready to get started programming an all keys lost situation for both the Autech and the Auto Pro Pad. Let's see who the winner is. Let's get started. All right, so we have the Autech plugged into the OBD2 port and we're ready to get programming here. So we're gonna go into key program. We're gonna go down to Chevrolet. Then we're gonna go to by vehicle. Then we're gonna scroll down to Tahoe and go to 2011. Key and remote. So we'll go ahead and get that put in there. Let it load the database and we'll go to key system. Turn ignition on. So I'm just gonna put one of the keys we're gonna program in. All keys lost, which is what we're doing. We'll go ahead and click OK. Okay, must use specialized chip when unlocked successfully. Correct key is required. We'll go ahead and hit OK. If chip is not correct, cannot program key. OK. It's unlocking. Please wait for about 12 minutes. So we'll just wait. All right, so it just went through that 12-minute wait here, and it says orderly insert the key and turn ignition on. When the light goes out, change another key. Okay, so let me see here. I don't see any lights on, so it must have already went out. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it with a different key. Click OK. Okay, so I think if I didn't mess it up here, let's go ahead and see if it's going to start. Okay, it starts with this key. Let's try the other one here. All right, so that did work. We do now have 2 existing working keys, but you know, I have to say the instructions were a little weird. You know, I was kind of not quite sure. Like, I've done these before, so I had a pretty good idea of like what to expect, but the instructions and how they were reading, you know, was kind of made it a little weird. But it did get the job done. We went from all keys lost to having working keys. So let's go ahead and let's plug in the Auto Pro Pad and get to work. All right, so we have the Auto Pro Pad connected to the OBD2 port. We're ready to get programming. We're gonna go here to GM. Now, it did take me a minute to find it on the screen there because I was like, where's Chevrolet? But you know, it's just under GM. We'll go over here to, let's see, Immobilizer. We'll go to Chevrolet USA. Go down to Tahoe 07 to 13. That's exactly what we're looking for. Fail to connect. That's because I don't have any key in to the on position. Let's go ahead and click it again. All right, all keys lost, which is exactly what we're doing here. Okay, so it looks like configuring system, then please wait 12 minutes. So we have to go through that bypass, or that 12-minute wait one more time. All right, so insert key to on, then off positions for 5 seconds to remove key, and repeat to program other keys. So switch, insert key and switch to on, okay, then off. And then the other key we want to program. Okay, it says program is complete. Let me just cycle the other key just to make sure I did it right here. Okay. All right, let's see if they start. Success. That was interesting. I thought the Auto Pro Pad did a really good job here. Let's try the other key. Yeah, we're good to go. I think the Auto Pro Pad did a really good job on this one. All right, well, the good news is both the Autech iKey 820 and the Auto Pro Pad got the job done on this vehicle. Now, as far as the star rating goes, I mean, the fact that they both program the keys, right, that's a huge plus, right? However, I'm gonna give the Autech 3 stars, maybe 3.5 stars, just because of how confusing it was for me. You know, it was a little more challenging. I had to think through, and if it was my first time ever doing it, I'd really be lost. And as far as the Auto Pro Pad goes, I'm gonna give it a 5-star on this one. So in my opinion, the Auto Pro Pad was the clear winner out of these two machines for this vehicle. I'd love to know what you think. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. I'm guessing if you just watched this video that you work with locks and keys. And to us here at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we wanna hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, we post videos on YouTube, like the one you just watched. And all you need to do is comment on the videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. When you do this, you're automatically entered in to win one of 5 free prizes that we give out each and every week. No purchase necessary. So if you're a lock boss, join us each week to learn, grow, and win.